Let's jump into this explainer. We're unlocking your dealership's biggest hidden revenue source, literally sitting right in your DMs.
Breaks don't fix themselves, right? X time shows we lose this money from zero follow-up, not from price objections.
It's crazy. But with structured follow-up, you can actually recover 25% of that declined work within 30 days.
So let's map out our logical recovery flow. It's a precise timeline to capture that money starting at checkout.
The same-day window is huge. The absolute best time to recover work is at checkout while trust is fresh.
Invoice in hand, clearly state what was missed. Say it, and then just embrace the silence. Don't speak!
This microscript works like magic. It instantly lowers their resistance because you're empathetically acknowledging their no, not fighting it.
See, you aren't asking them to buy breaks right now. You're just asking to reserve future shop time.
Okay, if same day doesn't pan out, that 7-day follow-up call becomes your very next critical intervention moment.
Why should advisors call instead of the BDC? Simple. Existing relationships and specific vehicle trust win every single time.
Deliver this quick script just to check in. And then, crucially, you literally have to sit in total silence.
This is where most advisors totally fail by pitching. Your only goal here is restarting a conversation, not closing.
When they finally reply, use these consultative responses. Navigate their specific objections smoothly without applying any hard pressure.
They want another estimate? Resend your technician's digital inspection photos. It creates undeniable credibility that competitors simply lack. Then, only after a genuine conversation, you ask this super simple, low-pressure closing question to get their commitment.
So remember, sometimes just securing that future appointment means the deferred work is officially coming back. It's a win.
This whole process totally compounds. The trust you built during the initial walk-around makes these follow-up callbacks land perfectly.
So, is your process strong enough to turn that stubborn customer into an informed decision-maker? Or will they walk?